Ricardo salad bar channel. It's fantastic, guys. Anyway, the channel is growing really well, and at the moment we at least 60 subscribers, and it is brilliant. I want to say congratulations to every one of you guys who support me and also who follow me on this YouTube channel. On my other YouTube channel, Chef Ricardo Cooking, I just received my, my play button from YouTube, so you can check it out. I will put the link in the description box, so you can click on it and you will see exactly what Chef Ricardo is doing on the other channel. So thank you so much for tuning in, and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, on Facebook, Google Plus me. You get a lot more recipes and ideas. Thank you so much, guys, for your support from Chef Ricardo. See you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. We're gonna do a quick salad for Chef Ricardo salad bar channel. Basically, as you can see right here, I have some few slices of cucumber and also some. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna make a quick salad. Guys, you just come from work tired. I want to do something very quickly. So this is some sweet jam lettuce. We're gonna make a rocket salad. Put roughly a handful of rocket. I love rocket. If you notice in my video, I lose a lot of rocket. And then next thing, some cucumber, some tomato. Any little salad you have at home, you can always do what I'm doing right here. Put some colored tomato. Nice and lovely. Then and some red onion on top of it like this. Very simple little recipe we've been giving the fans. And so that, all right. So this one, we're just gonna keep it simple. Little bit of pepper. And just pop a little bit of olive oil on it. If you want to make a dressing, you can make a dressing. If you just want to just have it just plain like this, without a piece of chicken or whatever you like to have it with, guys, you can have it. I just keep that one really simple because, sometimes I have to do some simple salad for the fans. So enjoy the recipe and please subscribe to the channel. This is from Chef Ricardo Salad Bar channel. We got a lot more ideas. Recipe will be coming towards you. So see you next time and stay tuned. Bye bye.